In this video, I'll show you how to find Discord ID. Open your Discord. And if you click on your profile, click on these three dots, you can't be able to find the Discord ID here. But I'm going to show you how you can be able to find yours. So click on you, click on settings, scroll down, click on advanced, click on developer mode, turn it on, and go back to the chat. Click on your profile again, click on these three dots. You can be able to see copy user ID. So this is how you can be able to find yours. So once you copy yours, you can be able to share yours to your friends, your family, or to whoever needs this, or like to whoever needs this that will be important, or to whoever needs it, right? So, but make sure you're the only one that would be needing your. So this is how you can be able to do this. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.